Alright, let's look at the homework 3.2, 3.3, number 9. Right, so we have this function f of x given, and we want to find the absolute max and the absolute min over the closed interval from 0 to 6. Right, so let's do that. Right, first I'm going to rewrite it so that we can take the derivative a little bit more easily. So you have 4, right? Square root can be written as 1/2 power minus 2x plus 1. Right? So take the derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, right? Put 1/2 in front, so that's 2. And you have x, subtract 1 from the power, so negative 1/2. Right? Derivative of negative 2x is negative 2. Right? So this can be written as 2x to the negative 1/2 is 2 over, that's 2 over square root of x, right, minus 2, right, take the common denominator, and the 2 is factored out, right, then take the common denominator, square root of x, right, so 2, so there's going to be 1, right, negative 2 is going to be 2 square root of x over square root of s, so 2 is factored out, so we have square root of x, right, and set that equal to 0, which gives you, right, top equal to 0, 2 doesn't matter, so it's going to be 1 minus square root of x must be 0, right, then add square root of x to both sides. We get 1 is equal to square root of x. Alright, then we can just square both sides so that we can get rid of this square root. So 1 square is 1. Square root of x square would be x. Alright, so x is a critical number. So we have to check 3 places, 0, 1, and 6. Right, so f of 0 is going to be, right, so that's 0, so it's going to be 1, right? F of 1 would be, right, 4 square root of 1 is just going to be 4. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, right? Then you have plus 1, right? So that will be 3. Right, and the last one is the other endpoint, so f of 6. So it's going to be 4 square root of 6 minus, let's see, so negative 2 times 6 is going to be negative 12 plus 1, which is 4 square root of 6 minus 11. Right, so it seems like this guy right here is going to be the absolute max. Right, and this guy is going to be the smallest, so it's going to be an absolute min. Right, since they want you to round to the answer to 2 decimal places, we're going to have to do that. But let's see, so I'm going to just use GeoGebra to look at the picture as well. Right, so we're going to type in, right, I'm going to do a f of, right, I'm going to use colon then equal sign, so this will define a function, right, then you have 4 times square root of x minus 2x plus 1, right, so hit enter, right, that'll give you a picture. All right, then we can actually evaluate f of 0 as well. So go ahead and do that. F of 0 is 1. F of 1 is, of course, it's going to be 3. Right? F of 6 is going to be, right, negative 1.2. But we have to change the precision. If you go up here, options, right, then go rounding, and 2 decimal places. Actually, let's do this one, right? So that will give you 3 decimal places, and if we wanted to actually it's just 1.20. All right, so that's that. Let's try to type into to it and see if it's the right answer. So absolute max is at 1, and it's 3. Right? Absolute min is at 6, and it's negative 1.20. Right? Maybe I'll just do 1.20. All right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back, and you can see that we got the right answer for both absolute max and absolute min. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.